Verifying your bank account on SnapCap is an essential process to ensure secure transactions and access to services. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Log into your SnapCap account. Access your SnapCap account by entering your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one for proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account verification. In the account settings, look for the option related to bank account verification. Click on this option to begin the verification process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your bank details, review the information one last time and then submit your verification request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive further instructions or confirmation from SnapCap regarding the status of your bank account verification.